I'm going to show you how to change the frame rate of an image sequence in After Effects. So first off, let's pull our image sequence in. So I'm in my project menu and I'm going to right click, go to Import, File, and then pick the first image in your sequence. Now make sure your sequence is numbered one after the other. In this case, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it has to be in order for it to recognize it as a sequence. And then after you select the first one in the sequence, make sure that your sequence setting is selected. So mine are PNG images, but it'll say whatever image yours are, and then sequence. Footage, that stays the same. And then I just import. Okay, so now if I pull this in and make it a comp right away into my timeline, it will choose the frame rate for me. And in this case, it's picking a very fast frame rate. It's picking, I think, 30 frames per second, which is too fast. I intended this to be 12 frames per second, so that won't work. And if I Control K on my keyboard, I can see that the frame rate is 30. But you don't want to change that. No, we're going to go back and change the frame rate of the image sequence itself. So before you create your comp, once your image sequence is in your project, you're going to right click over it, go to Interpret Footage, Main, and then right here you have this Assume this frame rate option. You are going to change that to the frame rate that you want. Then press OK. So now if I create a comp from this and just pull it into my timeline, now if I check the composition settings, by right-clicking and going to composition settings or Control K, I can see that it assumed the frame rate of the sequence that I set it at. So now it's at 12 frames per second, which is perfect, and that's what I wanted. So I hope this helped you guys. Please join me for more videos in After Effects and beyond, and thanks again.